Okay, we're going to go over the homework for tonight just to give you a good idea of the different ways they're supposed to solve these problems. The first one is 10 people wait in line for the roller coaster. 2 people sit in each car. Circle to find the total number of cars needed. So this is one where, of course, they're starting with the biggest number. We compare that to subtraction. You always start with the biggest number. This is one where they are going to have to circle the groups themselves. So put 2 people in every car. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just keep circling in twos. And then they are trying to find the total number of cars needed. So this one, they're making their own groups and then figuring out how many groups or cars we ended up with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 cars needed. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. And we just talk about connecting that to the multiplication fact. 5 times 2 is 10. That can also connect to doubles facts they should know from last year. 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's 5 2 times. The next problem is a little bit different. This one, instead of finding the number of groups, we're going to find how many are in each group. So in class, we talk about really visualizing the problem and making sure you understand what they're looking for. Mr. Ramirez divides 12 frogs equally into 6 groups for students to study. Draw frogs to find the number in each group. Label known and unknown information on the tape diagram to help you solve. So a tape diagram is just a way to organize it. It's nothing that they're going to have to draw or anything like that. So this is the one where you're going to take the big number and divvy all the frogs out. And then when you have no frogs left, you'll know how many are in each group. So they don't actually have to draw frogs. They can do anything to get it done quickly. So just little tick marks would be the easiest way to do it. So just divide them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And start over. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got rid of all 12 frogs. And they should go back and make sure that they have equal groups. So the number in each group is 2. But the number in all is that big number that we connected with, 12. So then here, it's just connecting it back to the facts like we did up here. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 divided into 6 groups, because that's what we did this time. We divided them out into groups. There were 2 frogs in every group. Here at the bottom, we did one just like this in class today, where the divisor for every problem was 2. So that should connect to their knowledge that they already know from doubles facts from 2nd grade. So what number, if you added it up 2 times, would get you to 10? So they know 5 and 5 makes 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. So just matching them together. So we did one just like this in class today and talked about how it connects to their knowledge of the doubles. So just, again, 14 is our biggest number. Split it in half. It has to be equal groups. 7 plus 7 will get you to 14. So 14 divided by 2 is 7.